Good evening all. Food Safety Officer's provisional answer key ആണ് question booklet A. Freeze drying takes place at option B below the triple point. Use of several methods like temperature, control of acidity, control of water activity for preservation of food is known as Hurdle technology. Cause and effect diagram is also known as fishbone diagram. The process in which a specially designed hermetic centrifuge is used to separate bacteria and especially the spores formed by specific bacteria strains from milk is known as bacterifugation. The most common bacteria cultures involved in acidic fermentation are Lactobacillus, Leuconostoc, Lactococcus and Streptococcus. Option A. Which of the following statements are true? Correct answer option B 1, 2 and 3. Next question. Food processed using high pressure technology, gamma radiation, high electric field, pulse and thermosonication are known as option A minimally processed foods. Food items should be subjected to microfrequency such that the dielectric constant is dash and loss factor is dash. Minimum. Option C. In which of the following ways does absorption of gamma radiation takes place? All of the mentioned. 10. Which among the following claims is prohibited? Option A. Unsubstantiated claims. What is carryover principle? Option B. Antioxidant added to oil is present in all oil-based products made from it. 12. Difference of green tea and black tea is that the oxidation process is omitted and the tea leaves are steamed in a pan before being rolled to prevent oxidation by enzymes. Option C. When a deviation from critical limits happens, what should be done? Option D. All of the above. 14. Which type of packaging is appropriate for fruits? Option A. Ethylene absorbers. Which of the following is true about death time curve method to sterilize canned foods? Option D. All of the mentioned. 16. Which method is most energy efficient for making ghee? Option D. Pre-stratification method. What will be the overrun if 400 liters of mix produces 740 liters of ice cream? Option B. 85%. What is a major defect that occurs in UHT milk during storage? Option B. Age gelation. During cheddar cheese manufacture, Rennet split the capsaicin at the junction of option D. Phenylalanine methionine. UHT processed milk is aseptically packaged at 20 degrees Celsius. Option C. The usual method of stunning cattle is by using option A. Captive bolt pistol. Which vitamin is not available in egg? Option C. Vitamin C. A meat-borne bacterial infection. Option D. Salmonellosis. A cured meat product. Option B. Bacon. The method of preservation of egg using sodium silicate. Option B. Water glass method. The certified copies may be produced in proof of the contents of which document? Option C. Public documents. Consumer under the Food Safety and Standard Act 2006 is the D. Person and families who purchases and receives food. The head office of the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India is at option B. Delhi. The enactment of Information Technology Act 2000 resulted in the introduction of which provision under Indian Evidence Act 1872? Option A. Section 65A. Who is responsible for the inspection of food business, drawing and sending samples for food analysis under Food Safety and Standards Act 2006? Option C. Food Safety Officer. Which of the following is correct? Correct is option A. The accused can file written statements under section 233 CRPC in support of his defense. The magistrate can take cognizance of offense upon option B. A police report. 33. Under section 439 CRPC, which court has a power to release any person on bail and by a subsequent order cause him to be rearrested? Option C. Both High Court and Sessions Court. The High Court may confer on any magistrate invested with the powers of magistrate of the second class power to try summarily any offence which is punishable with imprisonment for a term not exceeding option A. 6 months. Under section 374 CRPC, who can file appeal to the Supreme Court? Option A. Any person convicted on a trial held by a High Court in its extraordinary original criminal jurisdiction. 36. Any person who manufactures for sale or distribute any article of the substandard food for consumption is liable to the extent of option D. 5 lakh rupees. The Food Safety Appellate Tribunal shall consist of option C, 1 member. The defense which may be allowed in prosecution under the Food Safety and Standards Act is under option D, section 80, where in case a sample container received by the food analyst is found to be in broken condition, he shall option A, inform the designated officer within 7 days. 40. The second evidence is defined under which provision of Indian Evidence Act? Option D, section 63. 41. In which of the following separation techniques the separation is based on the net charge of the molecule? Option D, ion exchange chromatography. An example for triose is glyceraldehyde. The exoskeleton of insects is composed of option A, N-acetyl glucosamine. Of the following, which amino acid is an amino acid? Correct answer option C, proline. 45. The proteolytic enzyme trypsin hydrolyzes the peptide bonds in which? Option B, carbonyl function is contributed either by lysine or arginine. 46. Which of the following is not an antioxidant? Option D, vitamin B6. Iodine number of fatty acids denotes its option A, degree of unsaturation. Cold sterilization means preservation of food by option B, radiation. 49. In human, the basal metabolic rate accounts for about dash percentage of the daily calorie expenditure. Option A, 60 to 75. The respiratory quotient is the ratio of carbon dioxide eliminated by oxygen consumed. 51. Biological value of a protein is influenced by option D, all of the above. 52. The absorption maxima of a compound is dependent on option D, all of the above. 53. The purpose of guard column in HPLC system is to protect the main column. All free radicals have dash in their orbitals, unpaired valence electrons. 55. Of the following, which is not an artificial sweetener? Option C, butylated hydroxyanisole. 56. Which is mordant in gram staining? Option D, iodine. The immersion oil used in microscopy will B, increase the refractive index. 58. Alpha toxins are option D, all of the above. 59. Botulinum toxins are option A, neurotoxic. 60. MSA used for the detection of option A, E. coli. 61. Enzyme used in the fruit juice clarification is option D, pectinase. 62. Rotating biological contractors are employed option B, secondary treatment of wastewater. This is not a method of enzyme mobilization. Option D, Page. 64. HACCP stands for option D, hazard analysis and critical control point. 65. Which GM crop is approved in India? Option C, BT cotton. 66. The trap which is used widely to kill rice field rats is option C, pot trap. 67. A dull hollow sound when tapped is maturity index of dash crop. Option D, watermelon. 68. Bima is a high yielding variety of dash mushroom, white milky mushroom. 69. A chemical safely sprayed on bags of stored grains in gordons. Option B, malathion. 70. Which of the following is not an advantage of blanching? Option A, for pre-cooling. 71. Who among the following was the Anglo-Indian representative in the Indian Constituent Assembly? Option B, Frank Anthony. 72. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to life? Option D, Article 21. Who among the following is returning officer for the election of President of India? Option A, Secretary General of Lok Sabha. What is the subject matter of Article 40 of Indian Constitution? Panchayati Raj. Option D. By which amendment secularism incorporated in the preamble of Indian Constitution? Option C, 42nd. 76. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with the Grama Sabha? Option A, Article 243. 77. Which among the following are in the center list of the 7th schedule of Indian Constitution? Option C, 2 and 4, insurance and banking. 78. In which year Balwant Rai Mehta Committee was appointed? Option B, 1957. Identify the subject matter of the second chapter of the Indian Constitution. Option A, citizenship. Which among the following act is related to Article 17? Option C, 3 only, armed forces. 81. Which among the following pairs of months will have the same calendar? Option B, January and October. The difference between 75% of a number and 20% of same number is 378.4. What is 40% of that number? Option A, 275.2. Neha walked 9 meters in the east, then she turned to her right and walked 4 meters. Again she turned to her left and moved 3 meters. Then she turned to her left and walked 9 meters. How far is she and in which direction from the starting point? Correct answer option B, 13 meters north to east. 84. If eye is equal to eyes, lips is equal to rose and brows is equal to black, what is coded as forehead? Option D, front ear. Committee of 3 members is to be selected out of 3 men and 2 women. What is the probability that the committee has at least 1 woman? Option C, 9 by 10. Want, flaunt, desperate. Option C, correct answer, contrast. 87. What will be the next term in the following? DC, XW, FE, VU, HGTS. Correct answer option C, JIRQ. In how many different ways can the letters of the word punctual be arranged? Option D, 20160. Find out the wrong terms in the series. Answer option A, 9. In a certain code, if C is equal to 3 and school is equal to 12, then lamb is equal to option C, 7. My brother dashed the answer to the questions. Correct answer option D, nose. I think I will buy these shirts. Dash me really well. Option B, they fit. 93. Where dash the book? Option A, did you keep? 94. At 5 o'clock yesterday evening I dashed for the bus. Was waiting. 95. Annie dash ill for 2 weeks. She is still in hospital. Correct answer option D, has been. 96. How did you come? Dash bus. Option D, by. 97. Choose a correct sentence from the following. Option B, he is doing a course in linguistics. 98. Which of the following is opposite of diligent? Option D, lazy. 99. What is a one-word substitute for one who is not sure about God's existence? Option A, agnostic. 100. What does the idiom kick the bucket mean? Option A, to die. Thank you.